We are again going to go through this map packet. Make sure that you have a pen in your hand and only a pen, and make sure that you're marking all incorrect answers and marking the correct answer with the correct work shown. Number 1, here are some math scores. It says, what is the range? Okay, range means we want to find the largest and we want to find the smallest. So the largest is 99, our smallest is 62. We do 99 minus 62 and we get 37. So the correct answer to this one should be B. Okay, number 2, a taste test revealed 17 out of 20 preferred brand A. What percent preferred brand A? If we do top dog in the house, 17 divided by 20. You plug that in the calculator, you get 0.85. And changing that to a percent, we get 85%. Okay, number 3. So there's 3 7th grade classes. Each has 25 students. So imagine that Mr. Crispin's class has 25. Miss Buckley's has 25 and Miss Kuhn's has 25. So to find our total number of students, we'd have to do 3 times 25. That'd give us our total. Here it says P is the number of students who were absent on that picture day. So if we subtract how many students were absent that day, that's going to tell us how many students were there. So our correct answer should be C. On number 4, we want 4 times the sum. Okay, the sum means adding of n and 6. So we have n plus 6, and we want 4 times it. So we have 4 times the sum of n plus 6. And that correct answer should be D. Number 5, a rectangular field. Always good to draw a picture. Here's 20 feet, 40 feet. If you're finding the area, you have to do the width times the length. So that correct answer would be D. It's just asking you how to find it. It's not actually asking you to find it. Okay. Number 6. We have triangle ABC, and we have triangle DEF, and we say that we have a few dimensions here. Okay, this just gives us a basis for the setup. If we go through each of these, the measure of angle A is equal to the measure of angle D. We look at this. These two triangles are similar. They're not congruent, but with similar triangles, we're talking about they're scaled up or scaled down. So the angles stay the same. So answer A is out of the question. Now it says the ratio of lengths AB to DE. AB is 10. DE is 5. Okay, and BC to EF. BC is 6. EF is 3. Both of these reduce down to 2. So that one is also true. Notice I didn't just pick these numbers just out of the blue. I actually said that if these are similar, then they have to be multiplied or divided down. So 10 divided by 2 is 5. 6 divided by 2 is 3. It's just scaled. All right. And then C, the ratio of lengths AB to BC. AB is 10. BC is 6. And DE to EF. DE is 5. EF is 3. We reduce 10 over 6 to 5 over 3. So that one is correct. And then we look in and we say the perimeter. If we look at these two figures, the perimeter in the first figure is obviously going to be a lot bigger than the perimeter on the smaller figure. So that is our answer D. Okay, number 7, which of the following shows the distributive property? Even if you don't know the answer right off the bat,
Okay, we can look at this and through our own reasoning, we can say, well, this is 36 plus 3 times 4 is 12. So we have 48 equals 3 times a certain number. We don't know what that number is. But if we figure it out, we end up getting this number to be 16. And the other one that adds up to 16 is 12 plus 4. Another way to look at this is that on this one, we pull the 3 out. Okay, the 3 is out of there. The things that are left are 12 and 4. And they're separated by this addition, so 12 plus 4. That also gives you answer D.
Okay, all sides of a quadrilateral are congruent, and all 4 of its angles are right angles. So let me just draw a little picture to help us look at this. Okay, if this is 2, this is also 2. We said all the side lengths are the same. The shape is a parallelogram and a rectangle. These sides are both parallel, and it is a rectangle, so that's true. Shape is a rectangle and a rhombus. A rhombus has all sides congruent. A rectangle has 4 right angles. It's true. The shape is a parallelogram and a rhombus. Okay, these lines are parallel, as are these, and all the sides are equal, so it is a rhombus. It says the shape is a square and a trapezoid. It is definitely a square, but a trapezoid only has 1 set of parallel sides. This one has 2. It's a parallelogram, not a trapezoid. The answer is D. For the next problem, I'm just going to plot the points. I'm going to do them in different colors so you can see. So the very first one is 0, 0, 0, 4, and right here. And let's see what our question's asking. Which does not mark the vertices of a triangle? If we made each of these lines, this would definitely make a triangle. So we know it's not answer A. Answer B, we go over 1, 0, 2, 2, and 2, 2 should have been here. And 3, not 4. If we try to plot these, it does not work. So we think that that's our answer. We have to make sure. So that means we want to go ahead and plot our other points. So we have -1, -1, -2, -2, and 1, +2. Although it's a really skinny triangle, it is in fact a triangle. And our final one, -2, 2, to -2, and 0. -2. This does, in fact, make a triangle. So the correct answer is B. Problem number 10 we went over in class. Make sure that you have it completely finished, chart filled out, and the question and answer at the bottom.